Hi, welcome to SellerSonar. So for today's video, we're going to talk about how you can track and monitor your ASIN's BSR performance. So once you log into your SellerSonar account and you have already added your ASINs for monitoring, you can now go to the products page and under category ranking column, you can click on the main category for your ASIN. And there you'll be able to see the BSR performance of your ASIN under this main category. And here, subcategory levels. You will also be able to see your BSR's performance for the last 10 days, last 30 days, last 6 months, or even up to the last year. But please do note that you can only start tracking your BSR's performance from the time that you have added your product ASIN for monitoring. Okay. And if you also want to track competitors, you can add competitors by clicking on here, add competitors button. Once you click on it, you have the option to either enter your competitors' ASINs manually if you have them, or you can just select here from the auto-suggested ASINs by the system for your competitors. And once you've added them, this is how it's gonna look like. So you will now be able to see this button here, competitor comparison button. So if you turn it off, you'll be able to see the BSR performance for your ASIN that you're tracking, which is this one. And if you have this turned on for your competitors, you'll also be able to see the BSR performance of your competitors so that you can compare it side by side with your competitor ASIN. This is under the main category, but you can also check under the subcategory for both your ASIN and your competitor's ASINs. And if you also want to get notified or alerted for BSR changes, you just need to click over here. Sorry about that. Here, set BSR alerts. Once you click on it, you'll be routed to our BSR settings, so which is here. You need to make sure that this is turned on, BSR position change. This is turned on so that you'll be notified if there are any changes when it comes to BSR tracking. You will also be able to set the minimum tracking range. For example, you want to be alerted with changes with for only 10% changes. Just need to set it here at 10%. Click apply. But if you want to like to be monitored, I mean to be informed or alerted for BSR changes every time, then you can set it at 0 and then click on apply. Okay. So I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching today's video.